Hey there, young artists! Welcome back to Easy Peasy Art, your portal to the world of imagination. Today, we're delving into the realm of magic and mystique as we bring forth our very own enigmatic wizard. So, gather your art supplies, because we're about to embark on a captivating journey. We begin by sketching that iconic wizard's hat. Gracefully pointing downwards. Now let's give our wizard an expression that speaks of deep meditation, with his eyes closed. Curled mustaches. And a flowing beard that reaches down to his chest. As we move on, it's time to fashion his robe. With both arms outstretched, the robe boasts a magical belt in the middle. Tied with an elegant bow. Adds spiral patterns throughout, giving it a touch of mysticism. On the right hand, our wizard carries a floating diamond-like jewel that radiates a mesmerizing light. In his left hand, he holds a vintage oak wood staff, complete with charming spirals. To complete the ensemble, sketch his shoes, peeking out from beneath the robe. And adorn the staff with vibrant stars. Let's breathe life into our mystical wizard. The robe, in a classic shade of blue, exudes a dramatic, magical aura. The robe tie shines in radiant yellow. Speckled with golden spots for an added touch of brilliance. The staff, adorned with an enchanting orange hue. Comes alive with bright yellow stars. And there you have it, our mystical wizard, ready to cast spells and ignite our canvas with magic and wonder. I hope you're as captivated by this enchanting journey as I am. Before we wrap up, if you've enjoyed crafting this magical wizard with us, remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more enchanting art. Thanks for joining me today, and see you in our next mystical adventure.